Stir fry curd cream is something different to the normal preparation. So you will have to try out. So come, we will all join together. While I am doing, you can watch how I am going to do this, so that it's a very quick recipe, and of course you will enjoy that. We will do and see how it comes. This is stir fry curd cream. We have ash plantain and potatoes. I'm going to use both of those and start preparing. So we will see how we are going to do. I have taken the ash plantain, cut into small square pieces, immediately put in water and kept it. At least, even if you are keeping for half an hour or few minutes even, it has to be in water. So you put it in water and keep it. Now I strain it because we are going to cook this. That is one. So this is the ash plantain. I will put this into the pan. Then I have the potatoes. Now I have the potatoes. Potatoes also same way I have cut into small pieces, which you can see here. That too I have to strain it and put it into the pan. So these two goes into the pan. Now once I put into the pan, what I will do is I will just light the cooker. First thing I have to put is a little water because it has to get boiled. So we will use fresh water for a while just to cook that. So allow that to cook. While we are cooking it, we will add the salt a little. Turmeric. We use the turmeric. Mix it nicely. Allow it to get cooked. This will take a little time to cook. So the ash plantain and the potatoes, this has to boil well and the water has to dry up. So we will wait till then. All the water should dry up. Because I am going to add a little oil and slightly stir fry to get a better taste. So what we will do is all the water should dry up. Once the water dries up, I just made a small space in the middle and I am just putting a little salt. Then I will put the oil so that it won't splash too much. Stir fry this. I added a little salt in the middle and then I put the oil so that it won't splash all over. Right, that's enough. We just stir fry it so that it gives a better flavor and taste. Now I have to tell you certain things. While this is there, I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut and I have taken here ginger, garlic, onions, curry leaves and 1 small green chilli. Along with that, I have taken cumin seed a little. All that together we put and grind it to a paste. Can you see? Add a little water and grind it to a paste. That I have done it and kept for you. Just to grind it nicely and take it. This is the mixture and you have got the mixture here. So that now I am going to put into this. That mixture is added into it like. I wanted to use a little small onions. I forgot at that time. So I am adding that now along with this. It will be nice to use a little red onions also because potatoes are there, ash plantains are there. So with all that we put all this. Now what I am going to do is I am going to use the curd plus yogurt. Yogurt is a little sweet, so we want a little yogurt also. So what I did was I put two dessert spoons. Spoons when I use, you should know, 2 dessert spoons of curd and 1 dessert spoon of yogurt I put. That's lovely, and I think the yogurt can go, all the curd can go. Now this is ready, but I have to do a little bit of stir fry also separately, so we will do that now. This is ready. I'll off it. This mixture is ready, so we will put it into the dish. I'll use a little gingerly oil separately into the pan. Gingerly oil. It will be nice to use gingerly oil, so we will use the gingerly oil. I will use half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then I will use the little onions, finely chopped, dry chilies, just 1 dry chili, and a little curry leaves. Stir fry this. It's stir frying, not deep frying, just stir fry. It's with the gingerly oil. You can use either gingerly oil or olive oil you can use if you want to. It's nice to stir fry. Serve with this. It's nice. Our dish and we have done the stir fry curd cream. This is really nice to serve with rice or anything that you like rotis, bread, or even pittu, anything. String hoppers you can have with anything. It's really nice, and of course you will enjoy preparing because this is it's a vegetarian thing and lovely, and everyone will love to have this type of preparation. So you will also try out and see how it comes. So be aware till I come back with another new recipe. Till then, bye from me now.